Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this awesome 1970 Chevy Caprice. Just a very nice, pretty much unrestored quality car.
Yeah, very nice unrestored car, except for the exterior paint was redone and they did a gorgeous job on it. Nice under the hood, huh?
Yeah, very nice.
Numbers matching 350 turbo transmission, power steering brakes, and just a quality low mileage car.
Yeah, runs like a top. And I really like the original style wheels on there. Black vinyl top.
We kind of seen this one, we were like, man, we have to have it. It's just such a clean car.
It is. One of my favorite parts about this is the interior.
It's like perfect. It's like brand spanking new, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
You can definitely tell the carpet's still original and stuff, but look at the wood grain and stuff on the door panels and the dash. I mean, it's just fantastic.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
I know
car.
we kind of skipped right to that, but
I sometimes like to jump my favorite part first, and then we'll get back around to the rest of it.
But yeah, I'm not usually a fan of the hubcaps, but on this one, it just looks right.
Mm-hmm. It does.
And yes, the chrome and bright work on the front is as nice as this video shows. I mean, even the chrome around the headlights, it looks all brand new and it's original. I like that it's still got the bumper guards on it. As far as our gaps, front to back on the hood are excellent. Back of the hood lines up nice. And whoever they had paint it did a great job. Mm-hmm. They did not paint the door jambs and stuff like that. They left that original, which is kind of cool because it shows the quality of the car still and the mileage. Helps verify that. As far as looking up and down the sides, it still has the body side molding on it. And look how straight that molding is. Very nice and straight from front to back. Did you notice this, that the marker lights are in the bumper?
That's really neat.
I just noticed that. That's really cool design by Chevy. Back of the hood lines up good. Really nice gap all the way from top to bottom on the front fender. Lower fender, door. Quarter panel is all excellent. Nice bottom trim. Vinyl top's in excellent shape as well. No bubbles or any wear there. Back shelf's nice. Inside the trunk is excellent as well. Dual exhaust comes out nice. Back bumper is excellent. Again, as we look up and down the side, super straight car. If you had a 1970 Caprice and you want another one, this is one of the nicest ones on the market. Just something you can jump in, drive, and enjoy. Now, original paint still in the jambs. You can see that the original paint has chipped here in a few spots. That's bare metal right there. So it's only had one repaint and still has the original rubbers. Really pliable too, check that out. Corner of the door is perfect. Door panel is excellent. No cracks, no issues at all, even on the armrest. You can tell this thing has just been almost kept on like inside. Like,
yeah.
Not just inside, like in a house.
Yeah.
You know, like one of those basements of the, it's just crazy. Look at that. The steering wheel is even perfect. There's not one crack in it. Steering column paint's still nice. Clock still works. Dash is crystal clear. Odometer shows 49,803. No doubt in my mind that that's original. Light works inside the glove box. Paint on the dash, kick panels are excellent. Carpet's still original. You can just feel that it's just a little harder than, it's not a replacement. We'll check out what works and what don't here in a little bit. Dome light works, headliner is perfect, back seat is flush. Man, it's nice.
Very nice.
As we look inside the trunk lid, there again, original paint still here. They left the original paint in the trunk lid area. Bottom of the trunk lid is still excellent. Light works and both original tags are still there. They double secured this with a couple zip ties just to make sure, but it's in the factory holder. Original speckling in the trunk, it looks like. Super solid, spare, all that's all there.
This thing is impressive.
It is.
It's even how that shuts and the doors open and shut.
Yeah, the gaps are great in the trunk lid as well. It's just a time capsule. And you know what? Anyone can buy a car and have it all restored and spend a crap load of money, or you can just have a good old car, and there's nothing wrong with that. But to find a survivor car and put a repaint on it and have it run and drive and look like this, it's just, it's hard to find. You know, not many people kept them like this.
The interior is almost so nice where it's like, it's almost, it's hard to say if it's original just because it's so perfect, you know?
Exactly. Vinyl top is excellent, both sides. Still has the original stickers here. I mean, the way it's still the original rubbers, I mean, there's no, I know it's original interior.
Yeah, previous owners said it was, but it's just like, damn, it's just so nice.
Hey, I found a flaw. Right here, on the original cord, right here. A guy can easily replace that if you want to, but. I just love the dash. Like you said, that cloth inserts in the seats.
Mike, you want to hit that garage door for us?
No bubbles, no blisters anywhere here on the driver's side either that I can see. Windows go up and down nice. Roof rail rubbers are all original. Man, look how nice that goes up. Boy, my window's smooth. No cracks on the dash pad. That's perfect as well. You got the keys?
This window too, you almost don't even feel like you're rolling it up. Feel like there's nothing there.
That's crazy. All right.
Yeah, this is definitely the nicest Capri that I've ever seen.
It's the nicest original interior in any classic car I've ever seen, to be honest. I mean, anyone can change the wheels if you want, but I kind of like them.
I do too. It is, you know, it's just what the car is, you know?
Yeah, it's just
It's correct.
Even the brakes, I mean, everything just feels tight. I mean, you can tell, just even backing this out, as far as the steering, everything's just so tight.
The fabric on this seat is neat.
It is cool.
It's like we ran out of gas.
Heater fan works. Gas gauge works, clock works, horn works. Wipers work. Antennas in the windshield. And the radio moves so freely, I'm really surprised it's not working, to be honest.
Your wipers are still on there, boss.
Oh, yeah. Glove box is nice. You said the light.
Yep,
ashtray is perfect.
Never been smoked in. I don't think this thing's ever been farted in.
I don't think so. I don't think so, D. Yeah, this whoever owned this 49,000 miles was so particular, huh?
Whoa.
Wow, it's quiet in here. Even all the painted pieces on here, I don't know if you can get all that, but it is just so clean and crisp. Original overhead seat belts.
Yeah, whoever gets this one's going to be very impressed with it all the way around.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see how it drives too, because I haven't been behind the wheel of it yet.
No, I haven't either. Michael said it drives really nice.
Yeah, like you said, it's just quiet. You can sneak up on somebody.
Sneak up. You could, couldn't
You could sneak home in this one.
you? Brakes are perfect, no pull left or
Just
right.
look how clean the lenses are, speedometer, everything.
It's
just
super nice.
looks brand new.
Turn signal indicators work in the dash. Even when you just open the door, a couple of the lights come on in the dash as far as your oil pressure and stuff like that.
Well, this tells you something too. So little pieces like this, where you know this hasn't been changed out, even that, a lot of times you'll see them, they're just yellow and beat up, and so that speaks to the original interior, where that's still nice and white, and doesn't look its age at all. So that kind of tells you the interior.
I mean, I just can't believe this, how this feels.
And even like the little parts of the car, like the dome light lens and cover, that's not even pitted, and it's not brand new either.
No. This is probably, like I said, the nicest original interior I've ever been in, but just this fabric is like the best.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this thing is
I'm
impressive.
surprised they didn't use this more. Chevy didn't use this more, like in Chevelles and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure it's super expensive.
By Monte Carlos and the Caprices.
It's nice. And the seats, the padding's awesome. I mean, what a comfortable ride. Look at that 65, 70. You can't even feel it shift. It was so smooth.
Mm-hmm.
This is 65 mile an hour right here.
Yeah, zero wind noise either.
This is one of the nicest classics I've ever been in.
Oh, yeah.
No doubt.
I'm very glad that we fell in love with this thing and brought it home, because like you said, it's not every day you get to be in something like this.
I just stepped right back from 1970. And quiet. I mean, it's just so quiet and crisp and clean. You know what? That 350 picks up speed pretty damn nice.
It's like going back and driving a brand new one off the lot. Is exactly what it'd be like.
There's 75.
How about the suspension too? On 75 over the bridge. Just feel like you're riding in a Cadillac too.
I'm sold on this thing.
Me too. It's awesome. I love it. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.